The last time Lila was in my apartment, she microwaved some pop. It's definitely going to be Prince on this. Next time, make her a cup of tea. This is Marlene from accounting.
Hi, Marlene from accounting.
She's also a notary public. I met with a lawyer yesterday, and he helped me prepare a living trust that gives you my assets in the event of my death or solicitations.
God, go away. This is creepy.
My financial planners should have a will. It's just a precaution.
We're all going to die eventually. Okay, yeah. Is this why you were acting so weird last night?
Yeah, probably.
Sign here and here, and I'll need to see an ID. Fine. Thanks for showing up last night to support Batista.
I am supporting Batista. I stopped by Lala's this morning.
Yeah.